Go. This is $39.95 Gold Rush Football Mini. $39.95 Gold Rush Football Mini. Random team. Scarface 2. Lil Parker Tree. Scarface Tree more. Corey, you have 9 spots. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 43, 51. 4, Justin 1. 2 Bear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tambry with 5 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times with 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times. 5 times. And Scarface, you're on top. 2, 43, 51. 5 times there. Pace exit of 32 NFL teams. That's the teams you guys will have for the break. Alright. Scarface, Cardinals, Chargers, Dolphins, Steelers, Niners. Corey, Ravens, Bills, Bears, Cowboys, Broncos, Colts, Vikings, Saints, Jets. Justin, Packers. Lil Parker, Panthers, Rams, Titans. Tambry, Falcons, Bengals, Lions, Chiefs, Giants. 2, 43, 51. Texans, Jags, Bucks, Skins. 2 Bear, Browns, Raiders, Patriots, Eagles, and Seahawks. Alright. Any trades here, guys? Let me know. You guys can trade if you want. Alright, Premium Pack Basketball. Alright, Ryan, Premium Pack Basketball. Alright, any trades here, guys? Any trades on the mini? Any trades? Yeah, if you're buying stuff on eBay, it takes, no kidding, like 10 minutes for it to come through. It takes forever. Any trades? Alright. Alright, seal it up. Good luck, guys. Alright, Earl Campbell for the Tennessee Titans. What they got here? WPP 817954. Earl Campbell, Tennessee Titans. They'll go to Lil Parker 34. Little Parker 34, there you go. You got yourself the Earl Campbell autograph mini helmet. Congratulations to you. 5 times here, guys. Top spot, free spot in the bonus break. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Tambry. Alright, Tambry, free spot for you. Bonus break, $39.95. $39.95, Gold Rush mini. Good. Alright, Gold Rush jerseys up next. Premium jersey has 3 spots left. Premium football jersey. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one. Thank you.